Meet Indian GSAT-7 multi-band military communications satellite. It is designed for exclusive use of Indian Navy to monitor the Indian Ocean region. According to defense experts, the satellite will enable Navy to extend its blue water capabilities and stop relying on foreign satellites like Inmarsat, which provide communication services to its ships. It carries the payloads in UHF, C, and Ku bands. The multiple-band spacecraft will be used exclusively by the Navy to shore up secure, real-time communications among its warships, submarines, aircraft, and land systems. India claims that it significantly improved the country's naval operations around the world. It will provide networking capabilities to various Indian naval assets. It has a nearly 2,000 nautical mile footprint over the Indian Ocean region,